Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch me. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video, and I can promise you you're going to learn a lot from today's video. So as you can see, my daughter's hair is really dry, matted, and you can see it needs some water. It is really thirsty. This hair needs some love. It needs some TLC. But before going to tell you about all that I'm going to do to this hair, you know how we do it here. But if you're new here and do not know how we do it here, we show a lot of love around this channel. So please show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and your families as well as on your social media platforms. Alright, so as I said, this hair is really thirsty. And for you to grow much thicker, fuller hair to prevent hair breakages, split ends, or even to stop balding, you really need to make sure your hair is not breaking. And one thing that leads to hair breakage is hair dryness. And in order for you to moisturize your hair, what you need is water. But instead of using regular water, you can use this powerful DIY hair growth spray that I'm using right now in order for it to boost your hair growth and also to stop hair breakages. And I'm going to show you into details the recipe of this DIY and also the best way to use it. Alright, so whenever you spray this in your hair, make sure you are massaging it into your scalp. Do not forget to massage this in your scalp, on your hair strands, also at the end of your hair. Also, do not forget to add a leave-in conditioner to your hair. Don't just spray this in your hair and just go. You need to moisturize your hair. Adding leave-in conditioner will help it to moisturize your hair even much better, but there is one more thing you need to add to it. You need to add your hair growth butter, hair moisturizer, or any hair oil of your choice. Today, I'm using one of my DIY hair growth butters to moisturize this hair. This is going to seal in the moisture. This butter contains oil and other things that are needed for her hair growth. So as you can see, I'm using my fingers to separate it. This recipe right here, I'm going to show you in a minute, can be used in two ways. You can use it as a leave-in, and when you use it as a leave-in, you're just going to follow these steps as I just did. You just use it to moisturize your hair, go in with your leave-in conditioner and your hair growth butters. Then after that, you're going to use a wide tooth comb to detangle your hair. And one important thing you did not need to forget is to put every section you work on in a twist in order for you to retain all the moisture. Another way that you can use this recipe is to use it as a rinse out. So when you want to use it as a rinse out or your pre-poo, you do not need to go in with the batters and the oils and the leave-in conditioner. You just use it in your hair just as I did. Use your fingers to separate it, massage your scalp, massage your hair strands, make sure you're concentrating on the ends of your hair. Then after that, do not apply anything else. Just put that section in a twist, and when you're done with every part of the hair, you're going to cover your hair with a rubber cap for about 30 minutes. Then you go ahead to rinse it out. Using it whether as a leave-in or a rinse out, you're still going to get all the benefits out of it. That is why it's very important to cover your hair for 30 minutes after using it as a rinse out. And just look at how moisturized my daughter's hair is. So whenever you use this, as I said, you have to make sure to put that section in a twist in order to retain the moisture. When you do this consistently, it is going to treat your scalp from dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and other scalp issues. It is going to stop hair breakages and also help you grow your hair much faster. Alright, let's get into the recipe. This one natural ingredient is clove. Clove is really powerful when it comes to hair growth. I know some of you have tried clove and have loved it. Others have used it and didn't really like the experience. But one thing you have to know is you have to know the right way to use clove in order to get all the benefits out of it. If you do not use it the right way, you will not get anything out of it. So make sure you're watching this video to the end to learn all the tips you need in order for you to get all the benefits of using clove. So before starting, I just put some clove in a mason jar like so, and I'm just going to add some hot water. Make sure you add boiling water, really hot water, in order to extract all the nutrients you need from it. So after having it like so, you're just going to give it a stir. Then after that, you're going to cover it and set it aside to allow it to infuse into the water or just to allow it to cool down. Then after that, you need to strain it. So at this point, I just left it for about 20 minutes. Then after that, I'm just going to get the mason jar and strain my clove water. Guys, if you've been sleeping on clove, you really need to give it a try. I cannot even stress on that enough. Clove has been part of my hair growth journey. It is very easy to find, very affordable. And when it comes to natural hair growth recipes, there are a lot out there that you can use clove to prepare. So please give it a try and let me know how you feel about it if you've already tried this before. Clove has so many great benefits when it comes to hair growth. It is going to stimulate new healthy hair growth by improving blood circulation in the scalp. Clove can also help prevent dandruff, dry itchy scalp, and other scalp issues that might hinder your hair growth. It is so powerful that it is going to treat so many scalp diseases. Due to its antioxidants and antibacterial properties, it is very beneficial to your scalp. It can also treat your hair strands. It can stop hair breakages, especially as I showed you from the beginning of the video. If your hair feels really dry, usually our 4C hair turns to dry out really fast. So when you have clove water handy, you can use that each and every other day to moisturize your hair, spray it on your scalp. It is really soothing to the scalp. Alright, some people complain when they use clove water, it dries their hair. This is one trick you can use. You can always add your favorite oil to your clove water, or you can add some glycerin. I love to use glycerin because when added to the clove water, it helps it stay in your hair much longer, helps prevent hair breakages, and also just maximize the benefits of the clove water. Once you have your clove water like so, you just need to put in a spray bottle. If you're going to use it as a hair rinse, you just put it in a mason jar. It all depends on how you're going to use it. Once you have it like this, you need to store it in the refrigerator because this is all water based. So do not leave it on your counter. It needs to go into the refrigerator. And whenever you're ready to use it, if possible, warm it up before using it. Warming it up makes it very effective on your scalp. It helps opens your cuticles and it improves its ability to increase blood circulation in the scalp to promote new healthy hair growth. As you can see, this is one of the most easiest, simplest, and safest hair growth recipe you can ever find. Be consistent with the use for better result. And do not forget to share this video with your friends and your families as well as on your social media platforms. Thank you for watching this video.